Hello everybody and good morning, it's Ty here from DR Property Guys, and today we are doing, well, one of the strangest videos I think we'll ever have to do on this channel. A few weeks ago I was going to put out a video about renewing the tax sticker for the cars, the Marbete, which is something you have to renew every year in order to keep your car street legal, and I decided against doing it because it sounded like a pretty boring video. So today, unfortunately, we're going to have to not only go through the renewal process of the tax sticker, but we're going through the process of changing a windshield. So a couple of days ago, I don't know how, I have a feeling that there was a moving truck or somebody was moving some construction material. My car got hit, and I don't know, it most likely was a piece of wood or something out of the back of a construction van. Nobody saw anything, whatever. But I've already installed my tax sticker for the next year. So what I've been reading online is that in order to get a replacement tax sticker, you have to go to the police, you have to file a report, you then have to go to Impuestos Internos, and it's a lot of palaver. Plus, you can't do it during the period of actual tax sticker renovation. You have to wait until 31st of January, which is when the renovations of the tax sticker end, in order to solicit your replacement Marbete. So we're going to do this video because I'm hoping that the guys where I'm going to go and get the crystal change or the windshield change, they'll be able to take it off and not break it. But every time you take a sticker off, it always peels away, it deteriorates. So we're going to find out what that process is. It's not just renewing a tax sticker, it's renewing a whole front windshield. So I've got a quote on the windshield. I'm going to put it on screen now. This is a company in Puerto Plata. I'm holding the camera, but I'm only driving in my street here. There's no cars. So we're heading off to Puerto Plata. First we go to the bank, get the cash out, and then we'll see what the process is like, how long it's going to take to change the windshield, and find out what ends up happening with our tax sticker. It's chilly here today, 70 degrees Fahrenheit, whatever that works out to be in Celsius. Anyway, I'll put the camera down and we will get on the road and get this wonderfully strange video started, our final video of 2025. See you in a bit. So I'm not gonna lie, when I arrived to the place, it was a bit sketchy, so I didn't get the camera out immediately. But then after a few icebreakers with the lads, they were cool to be on camera. There you can see they've taken out the old windshield. They put cork or polyurethane in place to install the new one, and one of the guys managed to peel off my existing tax sticker, so there's no need to have it replaced or file any of that report business. These guys were actually really cool, and I highly recommend them. So there we have it. About an hour later, we have a brand new windshield. I stopped in here in the gas station just after Playa Dorada to get some fuel, etc. So I'm going to flip the camera around now, and we can have some lovely imagery on a lovely day of the road back from Puerto Plata to Sosua. I highly recommend, what's his name? Autovidrio El Rubio on Avenida Manolo Tavares Justo. I'm going to leave their contact details there. It was exactly what they quoted me, 8,500 pesos. Gave the boys 1,000 pesos tip. Excellent job, took about 40 odd minutes, and I'm very happy. So that's the final video from DR Property Guys in 2025. We wish you all a happy new year, and we will see you on the next one. Take care. Oh, please never forget, hit that like, share and subscribe button. Anyway, here's some images.